trying to get a good thumbnail. Like, this is the look I created. This box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just trying to give you guys some looks. Created this look right here. Just filmed it with this month's box. So this is our May Glitzglambox. Guys, first subscribe. I need to get my subscribers up. Like, come on guys. You know I put out good content. You know you want to hear everything about the Glitzglambox, so subscribe. Press that button right there and subscribe. So yeah, let's get into it. What we got in this box, and I did create this look with all the items from this box. I will be posting it. So yeah, guys, upgrade. Got me a swivel chair. Get excited. I used to be in my studio for the longest. My nephew had a little table and I like took one of the chairs because it was short, like it was a low chair, and I was like, oh, this will be perfect to film on. I was sitting on that chair for like so long. And I finally got me a swivel chair. So yeah, let's get into what's in this month's box. So we'll save, there's a lot of different color variations. So first we'll do the eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow, and this is from SAUCEBOX Cosmetics. We do have a coupon code for you guys, so I'll put it in here. Yeah, and so you get 20% off all purchases. These retail for $12. The pans are huge. So let me show you guys. And I am wearing this on my outer corner here. This is in the shade Fireworks. So this is like a black glittery shade. And I do have it on, so I used this one. But yeah, like I did 2 eyes and it hardly even scratched the surface. And this one has like a glittery kind of, to me it looks like outer space, like Guardians of the Galaxy or something, which I think is so cool. And that's where I used it, just for, did I really just touch my cheek with black eyeshadow? Oh my god. I'm so tired. It's so early in the morning, and it's like storming here at the Jersey Shores. So yeah, if you guys hear a thunder, that's what it is. So let me show you guys all the different shade variations. We have, I don't know, 6 or 7. Let me show you. So there's Fireworks. Here's Sea Glass. It's like a deep green, which I'm living for this. And this is Ornament. And this is like a satin kind of pinky peachy color. This is Cinnababy. I know people are gonna love this. Like, this matches my hair. Okay. I was gonna put this on, but I was like, no, let me use Fireworks. I don't know why I keep calling it Firework. Like, it's called Fireworks. Get it together, Chanel. This is More Wine. So this is like a reddish, literally like wine. Literally like wine. And this is Moth, which is like kind of like a charcoal color, which I'm like, do you know the smoke I could create with this? With Moth? Like, come on. I literally want all these. But so let me show you guys the pan size. It's like the size of my hand, kind of. Like, it's so huge. It's like, should I get my quarter? You know, I did my quarter video on Instagram. My sister's like, what are you doing with a quarter? I'm like, I'm showing everyone how big the pans are. Like, you have to show like with a quarter, but I'll just show with the palm of my hand. Like, it's like so big. Don't make me get my quarter out, y'all. So yeah, so these are the different shades. So you get one of those, and those retail for $12 each. So next up is Pinky Rose. If you guys know, like if you watch my channel, you know I'm such a stan of Pinky Rose. Like I loved Pinky Rose for years and years and years and years. And I always wanted to use their glitter in our box. So I was like, kept contacting them like, please use your glitter. And 6 months later, Here we go. Here we go, y'all. And you guys are gonna love these because you don't need glitter glue. So, so yeah, they come in this packaging, which I think is so cute. They have jojoba oil, which is like, you know, they're so creamy. I always was like, how do they get them so creamy? And like, they don't have fallout. You know, they're really good glitter. It's just like good glitter, you know. So I have the silver, the Josh on now for this look, but yeah, we have a couple different shades, so let me show you. We have Ken, Alex, what is this, Charles, we have, I love that they're boy names, Mason, we have Nick. I think we had another one. What's the last one? I don't know. I must not have the last one, but I thought we had another one, but yeah. So these are the shades. So we got a lot of purples because a lot of the lipsticks are purple, so we wanted to try to kind of give you something in the same color family. And then the teal, like, I just was like living for this teal. I was like, no, we need the teal. We really need the teal. We need the teal. And then we have two different golds. So this is Alex. It's more of a yellow gold. And this is Ken. And it's more of like an orangey gold. So it's like a little more like copper. And this is the swatch for Josh, which, did I not? Oh, Josh, that's the color I'm missing. It's the silver. It's like the one I'm wearing. Okay, so this is the one I used. So I already swatched that one, so yeah. But yeah, these are the Pinky Rose pressed glitters, and these retail, I want to say, I think they're $2.99. So yeah, so you're gonna get one of these in the box. Yeah, and I was so hyped, like. Guys, you can't even understand how hype I was when Pinky Rose let us use their stuff in the box. Like, I was just, I can't explain it. I was so hyped. So next, let's go over these are I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm tired. That's what it is. I'm sleepy. We were packing boxes all night. Hold on, guys. Okay. I found the liners. I was like, I just have these. Ah! I'm so sleepy. Okay, so these are the Diamond line, and these are from Glitzglambox, and these are the shades, guys. So I'm so excited to bring these to you guys. I literally just dropped these yesterday on Instagram. But let me do swatches for you. So this is the one I'm wearing now, Deja Vu, and I just can't get the Beyonce Deja Vu out of my head ever since Coachella. So let me, you guys see the swatches? My one sister Beverly was like, your swatches are weak, and I'm like, how do you do strong swatches? So funny. She's like, your swatches are weak. I'm like, cool, thanks. So this is the pink shade, which I'm just like live and die for. It's called Roseate. I wanted it to be called Rose, but you know, I get outvoted sometimes. Like Rose all day. That would have been cute. And the next one is Mirage. So this is like the silvery blue. Guys, like this one just gives me so much life. Mirage is like everything. So I think you guys can see this, right? And next is Jezebel. Jezebel. I just was like, yes, come on, y'all. And this one gives me so much life too. Jezebel. Guys, I mean, what can I say? They're fire. Use them in my waterline. I used it all over my lid for this look. But yeah, these are just, to me, so cute. They're so buttery. If you guys got our Genie liner, they're buttery like that. Only to me these are like actually smoother than the Genie and the Jazz Black, but they're the color versions, so we love these. We like live for these. Next, we'll go over the lashes. I don't have all the styles just because we were packing boxes all night, so we used a couple different styles in the boxes, but these are from Dainty Lashes, and we met them at IMATS, and they are so sweet. And yeah, Dainty Cosmetics, and these are, guys, these are my favorite. San Diego, like I can't. I'm wearing the Palm Springs now, which is like so natural looking, like your lashes, only a little bit more, you know, a little more extraness. But these, guys, like I want these because I love ones with like little spaces in between and that like kind of point out like that. So it's hard to describe, but yeah. But so these are from Dainty Cosmetics, and they do have brushes also. So yeah, we might put a brush from them in the box because they're completely gold, and I'm like, they're completely gold. They're completely gold. Now that needs to be in the Glitzglambox. Okay, guys, and the moment you've been waiting for, the lipsticks. I have every shade here, every single shade. I'm going to show you guys all the shades up close and personal so you guys can take a look, okay? I'm wearing the red shade here on my lips. This is what I did for the tutorial. So yeah, let's get into it. And guys, KARMELA Cosmetics, they are so sweet. They're really sweet. This is the pink shade, Aloha. A lot of people wanted this one. And this is Rebel. I'm like living for Rebel. Rebel is, and she hand makes these, guys. So yeah, she hand like pours them and dips them. So yeah, so here we go. Here's Rebel, which I think is so pretty. And next, I'm trying to hold all of them. And this is Paradise. A lot of people requested Paradise, so this is gorgeous. This is the deeper purple. And then, let's see, this is, I want to say, Sensation. A lot of people requested Sensation, so this is like the medium purple. And then there is a red shade. And we have a few nude shades, so those we put in the Mother's Day box. Those are Radiance and, what are they, Radiance and something else. But yeah, here we go, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what shade you got, okay? But yeah, I love them. I mean, I love them all, and this is them on, and it's like, it's matte, but it's not drying whatsoever. It's very, like, it's very silky. It's almost like a satin. Like, I mean, I don't want to call it satin because it's matte, but it's like, I mean, look at this. It's like kind of has a sheen to it, but I personally love it. So yeah, guys, you get all these items in the May Glitzglambox. It's only $15 a month. We do have free shipping. Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know which variation you got. I know there's a lot of different variations this month. Usually we only have like 2, but our subscriber list has grown so much that we have to, the brands, they like can't just give us 2 shades. They have to give us like a lot, you know, to meet our quantity. So yeah, just means more variations for you guys. As always, if we have any extra of a certain shade, we will put it on the site and have them available as add-ons. Let me get you guys all the discount codes in case you want to go to the brand site. This is my card that I made. Guys, I designed these myself, okay? So this is this month, all the items that you get. And I put the retail value. I know people are like, what's the retail on here? I mean, we personally at Glitzglambox are not about retail value. We're about vibes. So like if we get a good vibe from the product, we're just like, okay, cool, you know, we'll put it in the box if we like it and get good vibes. It's like about the vibe that we get from the box, not necessarily the retail value, like retail value over $150. It's like, I personally love affordable makeup. Like if you look back at my videos, I always use affordable stuff. So, I mean, retail value to me is not like a big, huge factor in what we put in the box. We more so go by what we like, what we think you guys will like, what's cute, you know, what's like over. Like the glitters are $2.99, I think, and I think these are better than some other glitters that are $24. So, you know, it just doesn't have to have a high retail value. But yeah, and if you guys need a magnetic palette to hold all your single shadows, we do have our gold one is coming out. So you can pre-order that. I'll put the link down below. And then these are the discount codes for the sites. But yeah, if you need a magnetic palette, you can order one. And we can send it either in your next box for free shipping, or if you need it ASAP, we can, I think the shipping will be like $2 or something. We can send it out to you guys ASAP. But these are taking pre-orders now. And then these are the discount codes for this month. So SAUCEBOX Cosmetics, you get 20% off, and the code is Glitz. And then Glitzglambox sub 40 for 40% off glitter orders and free shipping. And then KARMELA Cosmetics, the code is Glitz20, and that's for 20% off all purchases. Guys, we love this lipstick, we love the shadow. Of course we love our liners because we made them. So yeah, guys, tell me what you got in your box this month. And yeah, if you need a magnetic palette, we have the gold one, and it does hold a lot of shadows. We have our gold one coming out shortly, so you can pre-order. Make sure you guys tag us in your looks. I love seeing all the looks. We had a makeup contest this month, and the winner, she's gonna get 2 different shades of the KARMELA lipsticks. I let people give us their top 2 choices before your box ships, okay? I sent this out 2 weeks ago now. Don't come at me when your box already shipped and you're like, I didn't get to pick my shade. I'm like, oh, I sent the email 2 weeks ago. So yeah, so guys, oh, also you can order the Mother's Day box up until Tuesday for free guaranteed delivery before Mother's Day. If we have any extras, we might still leave it on the site, or we can just have like the individual items that you can add on to your monthly box if you want next month, which will be June, which is, should I give you guys a spoiler? Should I give you guys a, you know, I always get in trouble for spoilers. Should I give you guys a theme? Should I give you guys a theme or a spoiler? I can't. I'm going to get in too much trouble. Alright guys, go on glitzglambox.com. You can still order. We do have a couple May boxes left. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, you want to do it quickly because this is probably going to sell out. I did do the retail value. Let me get my card out. Get my card. So the lipstick's worth $24. The eyeshadow's worth $12. The liner's worth $12, so that's another $24, so that's $48. $2 for the glitter. Oh, the glitter's $2, so $57. It's worth $57, but I think it's priceless because it has glitter and it has lashes. And guys, thank you so much for 6 months. This is our 6th box that we've done. Like, I can't believe it's been 6 months. We love you guys. You know, I love my handwritten notes and handwriting notes to all of our 6-month subscribers who have been with us for like since day 1. Like, we love you guys. We love all of our new subscribers, and everyone just, you know, be nice to someone this week. Like, I know it's hard, but try and be nice to someone this week. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.